Welcome back to Crypto Spaces, back with another Zora update for you guys. Zora right now sitting just under 170 million market cap. Price right now sitting at just under 37 cents for Zora, right? And like I said in previous videos, Zora is in a great spot to DCA, right? I would think 50,000 to 100,000 Zora, is a great bet to have and a great bet to make right now, right? So 50,000 Zora right now is $1,849, and obviously 100,000 is 3,700, just a little bit, under that, right? 3,700 for 100,000 Zora. Like I showed you guys in my previous video, there's a great TA guy, Quantum, on X that has an Elliott wave target for Zora up to 65 to 70 cents from here, right? If you have 100,000 Zora and it goes to 60 cents, that's 3,700 to 70k, 60 to 70k. That is a big gain. You know how much you could do with 60k in this market, right? I'm telling you, like, for example, you got 100,000 Zora or 50,000 Zora. You say you just get half of that with 50,000 Zora, right? You make 30 to 35k, right? You cash out 15k, you keep 20k in the market, and then maybe keep 10k in Zora as a moon bag, and the other 10k you put it in another investment like Monad or something like that if Monad hasn't pumped yet, and then boom, that 10k boom goes to 50k or 100k, and then you just keep doing that. That's how you make it in this space, man. I know people like Benjamin Cowan say, investing is supposed to be boring, but I don't agree with that when they have people that are under the age of 25 that are becoming millionaires. Every day there's a new millionaire. I scroll X, I scroll social media, I see a new millionaire. Oh, there's a new millionaire. Oh, he just got rich off YouTube. He just got rich off Twitch. He just got rich off kick streaming. He or she as well, right? Women as well, obviously. Oh, she just got rich off OnlyFans. She just made $1 million in 1 hour on OnlyFans, right? Which there was a woman that actually made $1 million in 1 hour on OnlyFans, right? So I don't think investing should be boring. I think investing should be moderate paced, right? Not super fast, not super slow, moderate paced, right? One investment at a time. So that might take you a year. In a year's time, you could probably grow $1,000 to 6 figures in crypto. You can. Just how you trade and the risk tolerance that you decide to take, right? For example, there's I have it in my bookmarks. I think I do. I'm actually gonna bookmark that tweet. Dang, where did I put that? Oh man, I gotta bookmark this one as well. So have it in my bookmarks where someone turned $400 into 1.5 million. It's showing 1.3, but at the high he was at 1.5 million from $400, and that took him 2 months buying a meme coin on Solana. And yes, you might be like, well, that was lucky, and that was he was just an insider. He was not an insider. He saw the project, it came out, it was super low market cap, everyone ignored it. He bought $400 at 25k market cap, super risky, like extremely risky, but he took that risk. It's $400. He don't care if he loses it. Who cares? Get enough work, 9 to 5, work, make that honest living, make another $400 when you make the honest living, try again, right? I'm not telling y'all to go trade in the Solana trenches, but I'm just saying this is how you do it. Now he took that risk, and then boom, 7 figures from $400, guys. It's insane to think about, right? And you might be like, well, he didn't take profits, it's unrealized. That's not real. He already stabled up close to 200,000 in USDC. If you know what USDC is, if you know what stable coins are, he already stabled up $200,000, right? So he already protected himself. He already paid himself back the $400, and now he got 200k, which a lot of people want right now in stables off this one coin by taking profits on the way up, being strategic, and not selling his entire bag. Because a lot of people probably sold this thing at 2 mil market cap, 700k market cap, 5 mil market cap. He took profits on the way up, believing in it, having conviction, and it paid off, right? And what I wanted to point it out also, right? There is someone else who is this. You see that guy that turned $400 to 1.5, 1.3 to 1.5 million? His friend, I think I retweeted it. Why do I need to start bookmarking stuff like this, man? I swear I retweeted it, man. His friend, where is it? Oh, okay, here we go. So his friend, right? His friend, I made a tweet about this. But his friend is DCAing into Nick Shirley, right? His friend has literally DCA'd $50,000. He's down on Nick Shirley right now, negative 50K, just constant DCA, because he believes in Zora, he believes in the Zora ecosystem, and he believes Nick Shirley will have a massive run. And this is the guy right here that turned $400 to 1.5 million on Solana, and he says LMFAO, this point farm, right? This is the guy that DCA'd, 50K, down 50K into Nick Shirley coin on Zora, right? Try to join you here, but I'm not sure if I should, lol, right? So so if this guy is such an amazing trader, his friend obviously has instincts and insight to be like, obviously he might just be like, oh, I'm just a retard. They always say that, but he got 50K to put in a coin. He's not a retard, right? His friend obviously is a great trader as well. So I would follow this signal. This is a signal to me to buy some Nick Shirley on Zora, right? But I had a tweet, man. Where's the tweet? Guys, I gotta bookmark these. My apologies. I made a tweet about that though. It's somewhere here. Hold on. I'm gonna find it. Give me a sec. Come on, man. Where is it, bruh? Somewhere here. Give me a sec, guys. Oh my gosh, I retweet so much things. I should have bookmarked it. Oh my. Okay, here we go. So here we go. So I said, wow. So the person that turned $400 into 1.5 million on White Whale. Let me bookmark it so I don't forget. Person that turned $400 into 1.5 million on White Whale, which is the Solana meme, tried to join another great trader on buying and loading up on the Nick Shirley Zora creator coin. DCA, believe in something, be delusional, and win forever. Nick Shirley to $1 to $2. I think, like I said, I think when Zora explodes from here, Nick Shirley will also explode. The Nick Shirley creator coin. You could see 100 mil to $1 billion market cap on this coin, man. What's to stop it? Like I said, I compare it to Peanut. This is the supercharged on steroids Peanut, right? In my opinion, right? Even though it's not performing right now, Nick Shirley has gone way more viral, has done way more news segments, will continue to create content. It's not just a one and done viral video. He will continue to make content. So this is a much more sustainable setup here, right? And if the guy who's friends with the guy that turned $400 into 1.5 million is DCAing into Nick Shirley with down 50K and still buying, right? I'm gonna follow that signal, man. I think that's a great signal to take a look at, right? So again, Zora right now in a great spot. My targets, I've already laid it out, guys. 50,000 to 100,000 Zora, great bet. $300 into Nick Shirley right now gets you 100,000 coins. I think that's also a great bet. And I'll just keep bull posting until we see a change, man. That's it. As always, none of this is financial advice. Like and subscribe. Truly appreciate all the support. Never invest more than you're willing to lose, guys. Please don't do that. And I'll catch you in the next video.